Anybody who is lying against you, anybody who is lying against you, take the person to the deity in your village. Let him go and talk there. The truth will come out the same day.
Okay guys, so let's create something like this. Let's create this animation. First of all, you go to TikTok because we have to get sound.
Anybody who is
I like going
lying
to TikTok
against
to
you,
get viral sound. So I went to TikTok and I came across this. First of all, what I'll do is I'll screenshot a part of
make
the
sure
video.
that
I'll just
person gets
screenshot
that.
the face I want. You understand? Then after screenshotting, I'll also have to download the video because the sound is in the video. Okay, so next thing, we'll go out of there and then we'll have to go to ChatGPT because we'll be making use of these tools. ChatGPT. Now you go to photos, you have to pick that screenshot that I took actually. So when you're doing yours, you do the same thing. You pick the screenshot and then you give this prompt. You can refine it your own way, but look at this prompts. Turn this image to cartoon and make it look like real pizza. So that pizza is actually a type of cartoon image. So I said it should look pizza and sharp. I gotta add peas. Alright, so we'll wait for it to do its work. Alright. Yes, so this is what it gave me. Not bad actually. Not bad. Alright, so you see how real it is. You see how the body, the shape, everything is looking like a very good 3D pizza animation, or let's say cartoon. Now the next thing we'll do is we'll have to save that picture that was created by ChatGPT and go out of there. Then the next thing we'll go to CapCut. This time that's where the work is. How many tools have we used now? We first of all go to TikTok, the ChatGPT, and now CapCut. Now open CapCut. You have to have the Pro CapCut because that's what I use. So when you open the CapCut, what you do is you bring in that picture. Alright. Once you bring in the picture to the dashboard, I'll have to extend it a little bit. You understand? You just need to extend it. It's choice actually to your choice length actually. But once the audio enters it, the audio will automatically extend it to the length of the audio. Alright, so now you have to touch the image, because if you don't touch the image, these dashboards that are under won't display. So you have to touch the image and you search for lip sync. You see, now there are two types of lip sync. I will be choosing the one under vivid lip sync. That vivid lip sync will make every part of the body move, but the other standard one will just make it to be like that. So you see, I've selected it. The next thing I did is to pick the audio that I want. You see, how did I pick the audio? I have to add audio. You see, add audio and then extract. You go to that extract and then you have to choose that video that I downloaded. I have to choose it, and then CapCut will automatically extract the audio from the video. Alright, so this is the audio. Now what will happen now is I'll have to generate it with this audio, but just watch, something will actually happen there. If you look by the side, you see 82 seconds selected, right? Now, but this thing will tell me that the audio must be under 45 seconds, you see. So we have to just cut out 45 seconds of the audio, right? So when you want to do yours, if you have a particular place that is interesting that you want to use, you can shift the audio to the position where you want to use it. Now you see, I've clicked create. Alright, so what is happening now is creating the lip sync, you see. But though I had to fast forward it a little bit because it will take a little time, some minutes, 1-2 minutes to create it. Now you see what's happening now. You see, the video is now the image is now a video. It's actually moving well. You see, even the eye that was closed is even open. Now This is good. I love this. I love this. What I will do now is I want to, spice it up a little bit. I had to add auto caption. You see, I went to auto caption that I can, bring out the text, what he's saying. I'll just bring it out so you actually see what he's talking about. That's auto caption. We call it captioning video. You see. And then next thing I did now, don't mind the way I'm talking. Next thing I did now is I just have to go through the videos. I have to fast forward this actually so that the video can, can be faster a bit. So what I did is to correct the words. You understand? Just go through each one of them, correct the word, and then I went back to the auto caption and then changed the template to my choice template as the text. I had to change it to something more beautiful, something more sharp that people can actually engage and understand. So when I selected it, I had to arrange it well so that it will balance. You understand? You understand? A bit good. Now you just have to arrange each and every one of them well so that it will give that perfect. If you're not satisfied, keep on doing. Don't just leave it like that. Anything you're doing and your mind is telling you you're not satisfied with that thing you did, reset it again and start afresh. Right? So you see, I'm trying to adjust each and every one so that it will actually enter the space. I don't want to bring anyone under it. I just want it to be straight like that. So yours, you can actually share them. You can actually share them. Some will be at the top, and like this one that is long now, you can actually cut it into two, make it two. But I want it long this way. You understand? That's my choice. Alright, so guys, this is it. You see, I hope you're finding this interesting. Okay, now see, I'm done setting it. See, so I'm just going through it again. You just have to cross check to know if anything is wrong or whatever. And I see that everything is okay. The text is okay. Next thing I want to do, I want to add my name. I want to add sound. So I have to go to audio and go to sound effects. Not sound, but sound effects. I was actually looking for a particular sound, but I didn't see it, so I have to search for it. And the sound is under suspense. Now you see suspense. I'll go to suspense. Then you pick a sound. Pick your choice sound actually. But I love this one. This one, the second one actually. I like it. Love. Okay. I love it. Then, see, I've picked the sound I want. Then I have to go to the end of the video because the sound is longer than the video. I have to cut it. So you use split. Cut it and delete. Split and delete. And then you see fade. By the side, I have to fade out the audio so that when it gets to that ending part, it's not just going to end like that. It will fade out. It will fade out nicely, like not zoom. It's not going to be nice, so you just have to fade it out so it goes well, right? So that's it. And then just do one or two arranging, like increasing of the video and the audio sound, and reducing, you understand, to check if it's louder or it's normal to the way you want it to be, right? So it's all about volume. But remember, when you want to increase or reduce volume, you have to touch the object, either video or audio. You touch it before you can be able to see the audio dashboard or column actually, or dialogues. Yes. So here, I want to add my name. All right, Smash Visions. So I was thinking if I should add Smash Vision Studios, but then no, I have a new channel or page, a new page and channel that is Smash Visuals AI, where I'll be teaching you things like this. Alright, so that's it. So you just have to carry it down and then reduce it a little bit, just drop it somewhere there. Yeah, anywhere you choose to drop it, drop it. I changed the fonts to this one. that's my choice actually. And remember, you cannot do all these things with a CapCut that is not premium or pro. So I'll drop the link to this pro, alright? Or actually, I'll drop my channel link where you can join my channel. There, I'll be dropping the link for as low as low. You're not breaking your back. Alright, so next thing, I don't know if you know about thumbnail. Thumbnail is the first image that will be seen on the screen of the video when you post it, right? So that's what I'm looking for. I got the thumbnail I want and then I selected it, and the next thing is time to export. You see, it was in 720p. I had to change it to 1080. That's actually size. So don't worry, come to that some other time, to how to export and all that. So thank you for watching to the end. Like, comment, please also subscribe to my channel. Don't forget, Smash Visuals AI. Don't forget to subscribe to my channels. I love you.